Start of a very exciting period for manufacturing. We are now able to do manufacturing in ways which previously were not possible.
NAMIC's second Global AM Summit has been another success. We're proud to be collaborating once again with Hannover Messe on Industry Transformation Asia Pacific, the leading Industry 4.0 exhibition in the region. The theme we chose this time is material innovation, and we're very gratified to hear that the topic is extremely on point for the additive manufacturing community right now.
So this year, NAMIC is bringing 8 global startups to this large event. They're coming from all over the world, from the US, from Japan, from Israel, and from Singapore.
What we're looking at is how we can simplify the medicine taking process. By doing so, there's less wastage because the patient is less easily confused about what to take, how we can encourage patients to take their medicines correctly in a more simplified manner.
We've been able to reduce nearly 60% of that by manufacturing right in the store, right in front of the public. We have very little waste.
非常にここにはレベルの高い、いろいろな企業が来ていて、そことのお話をすることで僕ら自身にも気づかされることがあって非常に勉強になります。そして、僕らも、いろいろな人と関われることでとてもワクワク、エキサイティングしています。
What you're witnessing is the future of our manufacturing landscape. But the future is not possible if we don't preserve our planet. We need to be more sustainable in our practices, and material innovation will get us there.